How to hide online status on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your online status on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to hide our online status on Facebook, you have to understand that not from Facebook, but we have to do it from the Messenger, because on the Facebook app itself you don't have the default messaging tab, right? So obviously you have to use the Messenger app, because if I tap on the Messenger icon from the top right, I'll be redirected to the Messenger app over here. So what we need to do is instead just tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then you'll see all this option where you have to tap on the settings icon over here, and then once you tap on the settings icon here, just scroll and look for the option called active status, and then just tap on it. Now currently you can see both of these options is actually turned on. So if you want to hide your online status on both Facebook and Messenger, you just have to turn both of these toggles off. When you turn this off, basically no one else will be able to view your active status both on Facebook as well as Messenger. This is how you can hide your online status on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.